YouTube video.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be making slime.
Yeah.
And my name is Camila.
My name is Penelope.
And now we're going to get started.
Okay, I'm going to have this glue.
I'm going to have this Elmer's
I'm going to put
glue.
all of it in.
Me too. Maybe I will not put all of it.
There's a lot.
Yeah. Okay, open it up. We have a bunch of things. We have Orbeez, we have
Ooh, mine has a big
Orbeez,
bubbles.
rainbow ones, and we have pink ones, some glitter, and some beads glitter.
And then we have more beads.
And we have beads and clay and food color. So
I
I'm
need
gonna
food
add some
coloring.
glue.
I have green.
And I'm gonna add that. And
One
now-
drop. Ooh, I like this kind of green. I want another drop. Just one more drop.
Okay.
That's too much.
I think maybe that. Still more. Okay, that is. Let's keep going.
No.
Okay.
I still need to mix.
Okay, now I'm gonna put some. Oh, not clay yet. We have to turn slime first. What should I put? Maybe some food coloring. I'm gonna make purple.
Put some foam ball.
I'm gonna do this and this. I don't know what it's gonna make, but I'm gonna see.
Oopsie. I need a napkin.
So I'm gonna add green first,
I'm gonna get a toilet paper so I can
One.
clean my hand.
and then I'm gonna add yellow too. Okay. Oh. Hey, let's switch it. Okay. Now, oh. Then I'm going to stir it. See what color it makes. I think it's gonna make maybe green. I don't know. I think it's gonna make green. Yep, green. It looks like we're both making green slime. This one is more light.
What else do we use? I'm gonna use Orbeez.
Okay.
Ew, they feel weird. Oh no, Orbeez fell.
Oh, I can get one. Oh, they keep falling everywhere. Okay, one and
Too much.
I'm
They're
gonna
like bubbly.
add some. Maybe I'll add some Orbeez too.
They're watery. They're like slippery.
I know. I should have made like a orange slime. It smells so
Oh,
good.
they feel.
Don't use all of them.
Okay, that's enough.
I think maybe that's enough.
Oh, you add so much then. Okay, that's enough. I need to clean my hand.
That one. Wait, I'm gonna go. Ow.
And now I'm gonna mix it.
Mix them.
What else do I use?
And then
Oh, yeah, this.
I'm maybe some beads.
Well, that's enough.
I'm gonna add green ones because I made a green slime. Get that.
I can't even see the Orbeez.
Oh no. Let's add some of these.
I want to add some pink ones. Yeah, Amy, get the paint.
Ow. Maybe that's enough.
Oh, okay. I'm not going to add any more. I'm not going to add any. Not time for the activator.
It's only a little bit left, but it doesn't matter.
That's enough.
Now you're ready.
Now
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
stir my thing all together. Fun. Together. I put one foam bead and then after
I'm
when I'm
doing
done I can
this.
find it.
This will be here in the trash.
Here's mine. Missing.
Now
Now I'm
here's
gonna put some
mine.
activator. So I have contact solution. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna put some
Mine
baking
look
soda.
really pretty.
Bum, bum, bum. Ooh, wow.
And
Okay,
then I'm gonna make
I'm gonna mix mine.
mine
See.
looking pretty.
Ooh, I hear all those
Ooh.
crunchiness. Ooh, yours looks cool. Okay, I think I maybe need to put a little more baking soda and
I think I need more.
Okay, good. Okay, maybe a little more of this.
I need a little more. I need a little more of this. Okay, that's
Okay,
enough.
I think mine is
First I
activating
need to
now.
mix.
It was turning into slime.
Mine like minty green. Like, ew, look at mine. Oh, yours are pretty.
Mine is just green. Yours is minty green.
Yeah, mine.
It's hard to mix. My hand is getting tired.
That's enough.
Slime.
It's hard to mix.
Okay, I'm gonna see Penelope's. Oh, she's looking better than mine.
There too. What else do we What else?
Okay, I think mine is turning to slime now. Mine is
There.
getting more slimy.
It's like clear.
Oh, it's getting slimy.
Mine watery.
And this is not my first time making slime. So,
That's too much.
I made slime 100 times. No, not 100 times. A lot of times.
Mine are starting out like
Ooh,
slime.
look, hear this.
Ooh, that's cool. What else do we use?
What do you mean? That's it. Just
I want
mix.
to put some pink foam balls.
Pink.
Yeah.
But you already have pink.
I want more pink.
Okay, I think it's ready. I just need to take it out now. Oh, it's
I'm gonna
kinda
put some pink
sticky.
foam balls.
Okay, I'm gonna get it off the stick.
Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Oh, no!
That's
I think she put too much. Okay,
yeah.
I'm starting to mix it. It's a big... Oh, the Orbeez are falling out. Oh. Oh. Hey, wait. Hey! Ugh. Oh, another one fell. Wait, it fell on me. Oh, my other stick. This is getting messy. Oh, someone help me.
This is hard to mix.
The Orbeez are falling out. Someone help me. This is crazy.
I need to mix it on my hand now. I'm trying to get out of the bowl. Whoa, this is a lot of Orbeez in
I
here.
can't do this.
It's so sticky.
All my Orbeez are fine. Wait.
Mine is not even slime. Mine didn't want to get out my Orbeez.
It's going. Good.
Ew.
This is a good slime.
I need napkins.
Show the final results in 3, 2, 1.
Final results.
I made a heart with my
I
thumb.
made a butterfly.
Now I'm gonna poke it.
Me too.
Ooh.
It feels good.
Okay, now I'm gonna try to make a. I don't think I can make a bubble actually because I have a lot of stuff.
Oopsie, you're making a mess again.
Oh.
You're not.
My side is very clean and.
I can see you through the camera.
Okay. Now.
This is too much.
So this is the end of our video. So like, subscribe, and comment for more of these videos. Bye.